The side-angle side SAS congruence theorem states that if two sides, and the included angle, the angle between these two sides of one triangle congruent to the corresponding two sides, and the included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. This means that if we can identify two triangles where a pair of corresponding sides are equal, i.e., one side of the first triangle matches one side of the second triangle in length, the included angles between these sides are equal, i.e., the angle formed between these two sides the same in both triangles. Another pair of corresponding sides are equal, i.e., another side of the first triangle matches the corresponding side of the second triangle in length. Then, we can conclude that the triangles are congruent. How to identify pairs of congruent triangles using SAS. To prove triangles are congruent using SAS, follow these steps. Step 1. Identify two triangles and look for given or marked side lengths. Step 2. Check if there is a common or explicitly marked included angle between the two sides. Step 3. Compare the second pair of sides to see if they are also congruent. Step 4. If two sides and the included angle match in both triangles, you can confirm congruence using SAS. Examples of pairs of triangles that can be proven congruent by SAS. Example 1. Two triangles sharing a common side. If two triangles share a side, and the included angles on both sides of this common side are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent by SAS. Example 2. Two triangles in a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal, and diagonals create pairs of triangles. If we take one diagonal and use the sides and included angles formed, we can prove two triangles congruent using SAS. Example 3. Triangles in a right-angled structure. If two right triangles have one leg and the hypotenuse congruent, and the included right angle is the same, they can be proven congruent using SAS. Common misconceptions. The angle must be included. The given angle must be between the two known sides. If it's not the included angle, the SAS theorem does not apply. SSA is not SAS. Sometimes students mistakenly use SSA side-side angle, which is not a valid congruence theorem unless it leads to the hypotenuse leg HL case in right triangles. Conclusion. Any two triangles that satisfy the SAS conditions, two sides, and the included angle being equal can be proven congruent using the SAS theorem. By carefully identifying the sides and angles in given geometric problems, we can determine if the SAS rule applies and conclude congruence accordingly.